Hello guys, myself Abhay Singh and I am third year electronics student of DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering. Today I am going to demonstrate you applications of precision diode with op-amp. So in this demonstration I am going to show you the simulation circuits of half wave rectifier, modified half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, positive clipper with positive VREF and negative VREF, and negative clipper with positive VREF and negative VREF. So from this all circuit, our first circuit is half wave rectifier. So as you can see on the display, there is a half wave rectifier circuit using op-amp OP07 with a single diode D1. As half wave rectifier cuts only positive half wave cycle at once, so we are using one diode only here. So here I have given Vin at non-inverting terminal. Next I am going to this is my LT spice circuit for half wave rectifier. So I have given V into at non-inverting terminal, and my diode D1 is my precision diode. Okay, so my due to half wave rectifier, we will see rectified output only in positive half cycle. So we will see the rectified output only in positive half cycle due to diode D1. So I have given here amplitude as 0.5 volt, amplitude as not volt, amplitude as 0.5, and my frequency is 50 Hz. Now I am going to run the simulation. So I will give the probe to the V in and V out. Yeah, so you can see at the output it is only clipping one part of a positive cycle, and for next cycle it is 0, then again clipping one cycle, then again 0, again clipping one cycle, again 0, because while this time diode D1 is on, so it is perfectly giving, and next time diode D1 is off, so it is giving 0 for that time. Then again D1 on, again positive half cycle, then again it's off, and then again half cycle, and the process continues. So we can see this as like this, and then we will see the next circuit, which is modified half wave rectifier. I have done the half wave rectifier for several frequencies, as you can see on my display. So one next circuit is modified half wave rectifier. So this is my circuit for the half wave modified half wave rectifier. Here D2 is for diode, and my D1 diode is on. D1 is reverse bias, and D2 is forward bias, and D2 is my feedback diode. D2 is feedback diode. For the input greater than 0, when my input V in is greater than 0, my diode D1 turns on and diode D2 remains off. Then output is 0 as R4, but my output for this process is 0 as my R4 resistor is virtual grounded and it is 0. So I am going to run the simulation. I will take my input as well as my output on the screen. So as you can see, it is giving the output for the where input is not applied. Where input is negative cycle, it is giving half wave rectified, and for the next output is off. So we will move to the next circuit, which is full wave rectifier. So on my screen you can see full wave rectifier. It is using two diodes, diode D1 and D2, and both the diode turns on once. When diode D1 is on, diode D2 remains off, and when diode D2 is on, diode D1 remains off. So in the circuit also I have uses op-amp OP07, and this is my circuit for the full wave rectifier. So I have given my V in at the inverting terminal of op-amp, and I have given my amplitude at 0.1 and my frequency as 20 kilohertz. Okay, so now I am going to run the simulation, and I am going to take my input as well as my output. So as you can see, it is giving some inappropriate output because my frequency is very high. So I will make the frequency low. So I have given my transient as 0.1, and I am changing my frequency to 50 Hertz. Prior it was 20 kilohertz. Now again I am going to run the simulation. So after running the simulation, you can see on the display it is giving output fully rectified output. So the circuit name is full wave rectifier. So it is rectifying full waves, fully waves. In prior circuit have a rectifier, one part is rectified, another part is non rectified, but in this circuit full positive half cycle is rectified. We can also do the negative half cycle rectified. We will see in further video when we use negative V reference. So our next circuit is clippers. So it is negative clipper and positive clipper. So firstly we will see positive clipper, and in positive clipper also there is two configuration, Vref with negative and Vref with positive. Right now my positive terminal is connected to ground, so it is negative V reference, and in another circuit, this one, in this circuit my negative terminal is ground. It means that negative is 0 and my positive means it is positive V reference. So it is I am giving input at non-inverting terminal. Also removes the part of input. What is actual meaning of the clipper? What clipper does? Clipper removes the some part of the input waveform, either positive or negative as per the V reference configuration. So clipper circuit is a combination of both rectified diode and clipping parts. So next is clipping parts depends on V reference and V in. As per the our V reference and V in, we will get the clipping part. So I am going to run the simulation. So I have taken my V in and V out. So as you can see, it's a negative part is clipped. So it is sorry, it is positive clamper. So it is its positive part is clipped. The waveform is like this. The input waveform is like this, and our output waveform is like this. And now this. So this part is clipped by our clipper circuit. In all the waveforms, in all the cycles, you can see in all the cycles our positive half part is clipped and rest is okay. So this is about the positive clipper with positive V reference. We will see it with negative V reference. So you can see I have made it the same circuit, just I have reversed the polarity of V reference. I will run the circuit. So I will take my V in as well as V out. So you can see now this time it is clipped the positive part, but in negative half cycle, because it is minus V reference. So positive cycle is as it is given as to the input, but the output of the negative half cycle is clipped. Yes. Okay, so we will go ahead with the next circuit, which is negative clipper. I have shown you positive clipper. Now we will see the negative clipper. Negative clipper has also two configuration, plus Vref and minus Vref. So firstly we will see with the plus Vref. So the circuit is all the same. Now just with a difference, and now I will run the circuit and take the V and V out at the output. So as you can see, it has clipped the negative part. It is negative clipper, but in positive configuration, means in positive half cycle it has been done clipping part. So one more circuit please, negative clipper with minus Vref. So negative clipper, how it works? It works as when V in is less than when V in is greater than Vref, then V reference clip, and when V in is less than Vref, then the V in part is clipped. Means the V in, what is V in part and Vref part is clipped, means the voltage we are applying to V in and Vref, according to that clipping part is done. So after in the simulation we are getting the output like this. So it is clipping the this part of the circuit. This negative part, the negative half cycles, half part is clipped and given to the output. And there are some applications of the op-amp based rectifiers. I have mentioned them here. You can read it. Okay guys, thank you very much.